Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox this Favero Assioma Duo power pedals. I have chosen this pedal-based power meter kasi mas madali siyang ilipat sa mga bikes compared sa mga crank-based. There's nothing special with the box pero hindi naman box ang habol natin dito. Upon opening the box, we can find the power pedals on top. Underneath are the instruction manuals. Akala ko hindi ko nakakailanganin to. Then we have the adapters for the charger and the charger itself. The adapter fits nicely in the plug, but here in the Philippines we won't need any adapter. This also comes with the clip attachments, 2 pieces of charging cables, and lastly, a 8mm hex wrench for installing the pedals. Check natin ngayon yung actual pedals. Very smooth yung kanyang rotation and the body feels premium. Tanggalin natin yung pagkaka-cable tie niya sa box. Ang smooth talaga ng kanyang rotation. Halos walang resistance habang iniikot compared to sa mga usual pedals na may konting ganit. Now, to get the Assioma app, I just open Play Store, look up Assioma, and click on Install. After opening the app and several minutes, hindi talaga nalabas yung power pedals. So I had to open the manual for troubleshooting guide. Tapos, ayun nga, naka-travel mode pala yung ating power pedals. To exit travel mode, we simply need to connect the charger. Yung charger ay may dalawang output ports for the left and right pedals. Kaya pala naka-travel mode pa ay para hindi ma-drain ng battery during transportation. May magnet dun sa pedal at sa connector, so once na nasa position na siya, automatic na siyang dumidikit. At iilaw yung indicator lights niya. And there we go, detected na ating power pedals. Itong next part is just about the activation and registration ng pedals. Once done, may notice na we need to do the zero offset adjustment after installing the pedals. At mamaya natin gagawin yan. Next, we go to the settings para ma-set up natin yung crank arm length. I will be using this for 170mm cranks. Next ay ikabit na natin yung attachments. Yung pedals na to uses Look Kio attachments. Yung kasama dito sa package ay Expedo brand. Pero yung installation nito is pares lang sa Shimano dahil pares lang silang 3-bolt type. Itong current pedals ko ay GUV road pedals. Not recommended kasi after lang ilang buwan, may alog na agad siya. Ngayon, ikabit na natin itong bagong pedals. Ang pagkakabit nito ay kaya lang nun sa mga ibang pedals. Yung zero offset calibration naman ng pedals, need lang natin i-align yung crank ng vertical, then click on calibrate, and that's it. Yung head unit ko is Bryton Rider 320. Wala namang naging problema nung pinapair ko yung pedals dito. dahil masyadong excited, hindi na ako nakapagsapatos dito. Yan, yung power ay dun makikita sa bottom left. Alright.